Is it the right time to make a decision on Zomedica stock? In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into Zomedica. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, October 30, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so that you can stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Zomedica has been ranked as a sell candidate by our system since October 23, 2023, with a score of -3.03. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. The stock has seen a decline of 8.55%. This equates to an average loss of 1.43% per day since it was identified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further fall. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -23.62% over the next 3 months. This suggests a potential return between -31.51% and -17.16%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of -19.25% over the next year. This indicates a potential return between -42.04% and 30.84%. In terms of price, it could range from $0.0880 to $0.199 after a year. Our latest update on Zomedica reveals that the stock price has experienced a decline of 2.13% on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, October 30, 2023, the Zomedica stock price dropped from $0.155 to $0.152, marking a decrease of 2.13%. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 3.43%, with a low of $0.152 and a high of $0.157. It's important to note that the price has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decline of 9.37% during this period. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 293,000 on the last day, this happened while the prices were falling. This could be a potential early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. Overall, approximately 3 million shares were bought and sold for a total value of $420.26 thousand. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Zomedica stock was $0.335, while the lowest price was $0.150. At present, the current price is 54.69% lower than the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $0.183. Furthermore, it is 94.91% lower than the all-time high, which occurred on June 22, 2018, when the price reached $2.98. Analyst Ratings. In recent news, on Friday, January 6, 2023, it was reported that Dawson James gave ZOM a buy grade with an initialize action. Similarly, on Monday, November 16, 2020, H.C. Wainwright gave ZOM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Zomedica stock a general neutral rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and price-to-book as buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Zomedica. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for the Zomedica stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On corrections up, the stock may face resistance at $0.159 and $0.167. However, if it breaks above these levels, it could issue buy signals. On Wednesday, October 11, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -13.26%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. It's worth noting that Zomedica experienced increased volume on the last day, but with falling prices. This is called divergence and can serve as an early warning. While increasing volume on falling prices can sometimes be seen as positive, it's typically associated with sell-offs. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 57 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicates a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 59 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Zomedica. It's important to note that there is currently no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock may perform poorly in the next couple of days. Zomedica tends to have average movements throughout the day, but with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $0.0052 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 3.43% difference. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.25%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Zomedica, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently has a negative P/E ratio, it could be a sign of insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023 is scheduled for November 13, 2023. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Zomedica. If there's an upward trend, the first resistance level for Zomedica is at $0.161. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. However, it's important to note that there's no significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that under certain conditions, the stock could potentially drop sharply. If you're not an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations, proceed with caution and consider placing bets only after careful consideration. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately have a negative outlook on it. As a result, we do not recommend setting a stop-loss for this particular stock. Is Zomedica stock a good buy? Zomedica currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a downward trend. As a result, we anticipate its performance to remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements during the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For Tuesday, October 31st, we anticipate Zomedica to open up with a $0.0017 increase and begin trading at $0.154. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that it comes with risks. So, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome, viewers. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this, so please comment below and share your opinions. What price target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a fantastic day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.